Live the modern lifestyle at Pueblo de Oro's Aldea Fernandina Loft series. Aldea's Blue series comes with spacious classic and premium units. The loft occupies a floor area of 48 to 55 square meters. Comes in sizable classic bare finish units and premium units with livable spaces ready for move-in. These modern tropical homes are designed to suit your personal style, designed using clean, stylish linear elements, including windows that let natural light and ventilation flow. With 3 floors of ample space, the loft provides more room for bigger furnitures, entertainment area, or that extra room. La Aldea Fernandina Blue series is located in a 12-hectare secure residential development. The Loft series are great for families who wants to go that extra mile for added luxury. Residents can enjoy the centrally located community facilities. Make your golden dreams a reality here at Pueblo de Oro's Aldea Fernandina Blue series. We offer bank financing and low equity through Pag-IBIG. All units come with individual titles. Talk to us and live the Pueblo life.